Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a 10-minute instant cleaning motivation. So my hope for this video is to motivate you to get started on your cleaning, to either go ahead and write out your list during this video, or you can go ahead and clean along with me. Before I went any further within my day, I wanted to go ahead and straighten up my bedroom, get the bed made up, and get these clothes folded, and just get everything done so I can just enjoy the rest of this day. So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself. My name is Courtney and I do all things cleaning. And when I'm not cleaning, I am a teacher full-time, and I'm from the state of Alabama. And I hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. And also, if you would like to follow me on Instagram, I show a lot of behind the scenes of like makeovers or cleaning, and I would love to have you follow me on there as well. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19. Well, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you got all the motivation that you need to start or to finish up what you're doing. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave your favorite emoji down in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now.